Peace, my good people. Peace, peace, peace. Good morning, everyone. Listen, so I am Zavi D. Morgan. I'm a holistic life and business coach and business owner. And, today is the second day of fall, okay? And on my way to, take the children to school and just make it to the office myself, I seen way too many children and adults that were not properly dressed for the weather. And, I know it's just the second day of fall. I know that, the weather abruptly changed on us. I'm quite sure that a lot of people don't watch the news, as I don't watch the news. But I do keep up with the weather, though. And so, I'm making this video because through my nonprofit, I would like to support these individuals, right? A lot of people, and I know what it's like, right? You don't necessarily have the money to get the children the fall and winter gear that they need, right? Coming from the summertime, coming from the beginning of school where it's still warm, you had to make sure that they still had some things that were appropriate for going back to school. And most of us, sometimes we don't have enough coming from the summertime either, right? And so I know what that's like, and I know what it's like, not being in a position, confident enough to ask for help, or even these agencies out here that claim to help families in low-income communities and impoverished situations. They don't help for real, right? I've been there, I've done that, right? And so I want to help these families. So if you know someone, a child or adult out here, it's cold out here, the weather is not going to pick back up. If you know someone in need, they need fall clothes, they need winter clothes, they need jackets, they need coats, make sure that you hit me up. And you don't have to tell me who they are. You can just send me the sizes and let me know if it's a girl or a boy, and then you can pick them up, from my office location or whatever the case may be. Also, I need donations. I need the support of individuals out here in this community, and wherever you are, like, you can donate, you can sow seeds into this ministry to help me make these things possible for more people, right? I wish I had someone like me when me and my children were going through it in the thick of things, okay? But God has positioned me to be this person, to be this agency, to be this outreach program. I'm not government funded, so I need the support of individuals in the community and all over the world to help me make this happen on larger scales, okay? But right now, if you also have, clothes of any size that are season appropriate, okay, they are gently used, they're not beat up and messed up and all that type of stuff, you can send them in. You can send them to my P.O. box, or you can either drop them off at my office location, and they'll be sure to get them to me, okay? It's important. Any of my partners that are watching this, any boards that I'm on, I'm definitely going to send it to you, because we got to get out here and we got to do these things ourselves, man. And for me, it's not all about the money. For me, it's not, oh, let me get this government contract. I'm not waiting on a government contract, because they're going to take as much time as they want to. They're humans too. These agencies, they are humans too. They just have these names and have this money, that make them look like something else, like it's harder to attain. But honestly, if we bind together as a community, if we bind together as individuals to do these things, and we can help other organizations that are really about it, right, or really about helping these people. So that's the mission of today. In addition to the outreach program and its mission to help families who are in need, veterans and small business owners who need emergency assistance when it comes to rental assistance, maybe food, whatever the case may be, because they down bad in the season. You feel what I'm saying? I've been there, done that too. And these agencies are not equipped. They are not even educated to know how to read certain documents and things like that. And I'm telling you this firsthand. And so, my organization does help small business owners and veterans as well who need emergency rental assistance, emergency food, emergency utility assistance. Again, I can only do it but so much out of my own pocket, and so that's why I need the community and other individuals' help to help me create these situations where we can reach more family and have more leverage to do these things in the community, okay? So I just wanted to come here and make this message, y'all. Make sure that you sow a seed into one of the links down below. It is tax deductible. Once you sow your seed, make sure that you send me your email. Make sure that you send me your name so I can send you your receipt and you can file it on your taxes, okay? All right, peace, everyone.